Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christy and I am a part-time reseller on eBay, Mercari, and Poshmark. And today is a unboxing of a mystery box, sort of, not a box, a bag. So, I have not been to the Benz in over a month, and I was going to try this company and buy one of their big boxes, but I did not want to spend that much money up front, so I bought two smaller boxes. And they shipped them all in this poly mailer. So, it is supposed to be a company that buys unclaimed baggage, and then they resell it either on their website or in mystery boxes. So, just to say up front, I do not have any high hopes for this. I'll be very thankful if I find anything at all that I'm able to resell. So we will just premise it with that up front, that I am not expecting anything from this. I wasted my $55. When I bought it, I was planning on it being a wasted $55. It was just a for fun, see what you get kind of thing. I hope for the best, but not expect the best. So I bought two mystery boxes from them. They apparently shipped them both, I'm hoping, in the same bag. I only got one tracking number, and so I'm assuming that they're both in here. We'll see when I open it. One of them was a 5-pack of scarves. Since it is winter, I figured that would be great. It was only like $11.99 plus shipping for that one. And then I bought a bras and panties. So we will see. I do really well selling brand new and or used bras. If it's panties and they are used, I will not be selling them, obviously. If they are new and decent brands, then I will sell them. And I'm thinking maybe my daughter wants to be reintroduced into the video. She was in here in the beginning going to do the video with me, and I started doing my intro and she just started cracking up at me and she could not stop. So she told me to go ahead and start without her so she could go out behind me somewhere and collect herself. So now she is back. So I am going to open the bag, and then I'm going to hand the bag to her, and then she can hand me the items and I will show you what we got. So okay. I have not opened this, as you can see, so we will open it, and I'm going to open it and see if there is a, because I bought this like last week, so I don't remember exactly what I paid for the bra and panties one. I just remember what I paid for the scarf one, and I don't know if they charged me twice for shipping and just shipped it all together, or if they shipped it, and so far from what I'm feeling, I do not feel any kind of a paper in here. So there is no paper in here telling me what I'm supposed to order. So we will just see what I got. You can put it on the floor in front of you so it's not up like in your face.
Okay, I'm going to do a magical hand.
Magical hands, pull out something good. All right, let's see what we got. Okay, this looks like it's a whole entire scarf. That's the whole entire scarf one. And this is the whole entire bra and panties one.
Well, there's mostly panties in there.
It looks like it's mostly panties in here, yes. Unfortunately, I was hoping that it would be mainly bras. I do see some tags, so it does look like if they're mainly panties, they are new with tags. So Bella, I'm going to open this, hand this back to you, and you're just going to pull out each scarf and hand it to me. One scarf at a time, ma'am. Okay, this one is an animal print, and it's a big scarf, like almost looks like a blanket.
It is a blanket.
It's not a blanket.
Nope.
Nope.
So that's a little cozy blanket if you're
Let's see. So pull it all the way out. Quit, please. Thank you. Yeah. Pull it all the way out. It's a very big.
Why don't you put me behind it if you're gonna pull it out?
Big scarf. I'm trying to see if there's any tags. So if there's no tags, even though it's nice, I cannot sell it. So, oh, there is a tag. Oh, it's a Zara. So it's Zara accessories animal print scarf. So should be able to sell that. Here's another.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold out the corner.
Nope, I got it. Thank you. Okay, whatever. Big scarf. Another big scarf. Let's see. Look on your end. See if you see a tag anywhere. Got a lot of frillies at the other end.
Oh, see one.
You don't see one? Let me double check.
Okay, you go ahead.
I know, I will go ahead. This will be on the safe side. Nope, this one does not
She
have.
doesn't believe me.
I don't trust her, no. So, nope, this one does not have any tags. Darn it.
Let's do this beautiful little
This is like a
old
mauve color. Nice purple mauve color.
mauve.
Mauve. It's like a purple pink.
It's a fancy word for
And again,
purple.
no tags. So that one is kind of a bust. It's hard to sell anything online without
Reminds
a
me of something
tag.
that reminds me of Kimmy Gibbler.
Reminds you of Kimmy Gibbler. This is a peacock sort of
Not
look.
a peacock. That's not a peacock.
It looks like peacock feathers. No, I'm not crazy. Crazy lady.
Guys, I have to deal with that.
Bella.
I just lost 30 subscribers.
Really?
Yeah, I just dabbed on you.
Okay. Yeah, that one's really, really pretty. It's really nice, but again, no tags anywhere. Okay, this one looks and sort of feels like a rug.
Yes, it is.
It looks and feels like a rug.
Look,
It's nice and, sorry. Nice and paisley.
you're hugging with a start that smells like dust. And
what I
I'm
did.
coughing over the dust, and then you go and hug me with it.
Uh-huh. That's how I roll. Again, no freaking tags. Now, I'll have to look on eBay and Posh and all that and see if scarves that don't have any tags, that are unbranded, do any decently.
Sky, if you're watching this, don't judge me.
If you're watching this, don't judge me. All right, this is called Splendies. And it
There's
is
so many in here. There's so many in here.
Well, there's supposed to be 10. So there is some cherries called Splendies. They are new,
Guys, just
extra
put that-
large, and we'll turn that light back on, please. They have not fixed that yet. And they were retail for $12. Okay, numero dos.
Again, don't judge me. Just don't judge me. They're all extra large.
Oh yeah, I believe with the bra and panties one, you could choose a size.
Sorry, guys. That's
This is
so-
another Splendies, just a plain purple, and it is an extra large also. So maybe I could lot these up
Oh no.
and sell them in a lot.
Oh, I'm not even
Okay,
touching my
America's
face.
#1 selling panty. Good
Great.
to know.
I'm probably lying about that.
Maybe.
That does not look comfortable. I'm just gonna
Actually,
see
I think
that.
it is. I think it is kind of cute. It's got like a little.
You think underwear looks?
Yeah, it's kind of cute. I like that.
That looks like it would be painful.
Oh, what are you?
All scrunched up.
Yeah.
Why is it up there, not down here?
I don't know. Oh, the brand is Vanity Fair.
Of course it is.
Of course it is.
Of course it is.
Of course it is. Do you even see any bras? Oh, there's a bra. Well, let's see. It does not feel like a very good bra. It is. Let's see. I'll show you what it looks like. First of all, I'm looking for. So that's what it looks like.
That does
It
not
looks
look like a bra.
It looks like a TikTok bra, like the cheap bras you get like from ads on like TikTok and YouTube. Like an unbranded.
How do you know? You never ordered one for that.
I see them online all the time, and I don't buy them because they look cheap. And that is the same with this. So it says it's an extra large. There is no brand. It's totally unbranded.
Mama, they're all extra large.
I know,
And just
but
like
just
that
because
one.
the box says
They're
it's
all
an
extra large.
just because the box says it's an extra large does not mean they necessarily send you all extra
Look what
large.
they came.
It came with extenders. It's called a True Kind. Yep. Bra extenders. Extra large. Yeah, it's just called True Kind. I've never heard of that brand. That's new to me. So, excuse me, we will look it up and see if that does anything. It's padded. No wire. Okay, what we got? We got
That's
purple floral
flowers.
things. Ooh.
That's not purple. That's light blue.
Yeah, kind of, yeah.
That's light blue.
Another Splendid. Or Splendies. So I will definitely put those in a lot.
Okay, I'm like literally touching them. And
They're
I'm,
all
like,
brand new.
I'm like literally touching them and I'm like looking and like, wait.
Okay, this
brand new?
is something I haven't heard of. It's called Soma, I think. So, Soma Intimates, extra large, of course, $12 retail. New tags. I do like that the underwear are all new tags at least. That would gross me out if they were not.
Wait a minute. Speaking of not
Are
tags.
these ones no tags?
And they're whitey tighties.
Fruited and Loom women's whitey tighties, no tags. Those ones will be tossed.
Nobody
Trying to break my fingernails over here? Jeez. Okay.
I don't see any tags.
You're holding them like they got diseases. Okay, this is
know.
another, that's true. This is another Vanity Fair. I mean, it looks like the tag just came off. It doesn't look like they were worn, but if the tags are missing, I will not sell them.
Wait, I want to show them.
You show them the thongs? What's that?
There are no tags, Mom.
I know.
There are no tags.
The brand is Parade. I don't know if it's any good. Yeah, it goes in the butt crack.
How is that
You
comfortable?
You don't know anything about thongs yet, thank goodness. So, those will not be sold either. Is that the last one? You didn't say it was the last one.
Oh my gosh, guys, the last one. What? That's crazy.
All right, everybody.
No more.
No more.
No more.
So, I've got a Zara scarf I can sell. I've got a lot of Splendies I can sell. So, we'll see.
Lendies.
Yeah, I don't know how I feel about this box. You guys let me know. Like I said in the beginning, I was not expecting anything. If I threw everything in the trash, I would not. I mean, I would have been disappointed, but I was half expecting it, right? So, it looks like I will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs of underwear that I can sell, and the minimum 1 scarf that I can sell. I don't know if they'll do any good. I probably won't make my money back, but it wasn't trash, so that's a bonus. I mean, the underwear were, I don't know, 80% new with tags, so that was good. I did not like that the scarves were completely unbranded, but they're all in good condition. So we'll see. Maybe I'll do a lot of scarves, unbranded, a lot of scarves for $15 or something like that, and try to make some of my money back. So, yeah, that is what it is. So I will be going to the Ben's this weekend. So next week I will have some haul videos for you for that. So look forward to that. If you like this kind of content, please give me a thumbs up. Bella, you're moving the thingy. Thank you. Yeah. So give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Thank you to the few new subscribers that I have. I appreciate it. And thank you for everybody who has been watching my videos. I do appreciate that as well. Yes.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
No, it is what it is.
It tis what it tis. Really? Is that a new thing kids are saying?
No.
No, I didn't think so.
No.
Okay, everybody. Thanks for watching. We're going to cut this short, get out of here, and get my sales that I have for today, and have some great... I said subscribe already. I said subscribe, like, comment, all the good things, do all the things, share. That would be awesome.
Go buy our stuff.
Yeah, buy our
Go
stuff.
buy some of these panties, guys.
Yeah, buy some of these panties. No, really don't.
Don't.
I don't know.
What they're thinking about it, and then you're like, don't. And then they're like...
No, they're fine. They're fine. The new tags.
There's no diseases on them.
They're fine. So I wouldn't sell them if they weren't. So, have a great weekend, guys. Make lots of sales. Get out of that Q4. Get that Q4 money. All right.